In this video, I'll detail how to download apps on an iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, either iOS 18 or it's run on iOS 17, iOS 16, even iOS 14, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how to download apps on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do, when you want to download apps on an iPhone or on any iPhone, is open the App Store on your iPhone. Then if you're a first timer, you'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Then once you open it, come here and click on the search button. Then search for the name of the application you want to download, or search through the category. You can see top apps, top games, photo and video, then social media, action game. So just click on any of this to see the top chart here. You see that? Or better still, come here, search for the application you want to download on your iPhone. So here, I'm going to download the Turn Keeper, which is Turn Wallet. Click on Get button to download the application. And once you hit the Turn button, you're going to see Install. Tap Install. Then here, you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple account on the App Store. So whether you are new or not, you just need to sign into your Apple account by typing in your Apple ID password and then click on Sign In. Once you tap the Sign In button, this is going to sign into the App Store on your iPhone, and you'll see Authorized. And then you're going to see downloading or installing the selected application. And once the process is completed, all you're going to see is just to open the application. And once you open the application, it's going to start working straight on your iPhone. Mark you, if you check through your iPhone apps or app menu, then you're going to see the application added to the menu, and you can open it straight away from there, or go back to the App Store and open it from there for the first time. Once the download is completed, then click on open, and there you go. So that is basically how to download apps on an iPhone. You can repeat the process to download more applications on your iPhone by searching for the application you want to download, maybe WhatsApp. Search for that like this. Then tap it and then click on it to download and install it on your iPhone. So that is how to download all applications or any applications on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.